Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Yesterday we studied about the doing words. Doing words means what? Doing words means verbs, and verbs are also called what? Action words, correct? Today we are going to start with the cries of animals and birds. When animals and birds make some noise, ते ज्यावेळेस काही आवाज काढतात तोंडातून, त्या आवाजाला काय म्हणतात? ओके, now when a sparrow makes voice, you can hear, I think so, in video you will hear there are sparrows here. आणि ज्यावेळेस चिमणी चू चू करते त्या चू चूला काय म्हणतात इंग्लिश मध्ये? इट इज कॉल्ड chirping. Okay, and then there are so many animals now, like cow, buffalo, donkey, pig, horse. There are more animals like elephant, lion, tiger. Then which are this? Duck, mouse, snake, sheep. What all voice or sound? Which are the sounds of those animals? Now, but then here it is told cries. Cries means what? They are crying or what? Actually, no, they are not crying. They make some voice. The voice which comes out from their mouth, that voice is having some name. Okay, त्या आवाजाला काहीतरी एक स्पेसिफिक नाव असतं आणि ते नाव आपण आज शिकणार आहोत. दॅट नेम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे. Okay, now here it is, the cries of animals and birds. Now here names of some animals is given. Okay, names of animals, birds means what? Nouns. And here verbs are given. Verbs means what? Action which they are doing, correct or not? When they speak something or when they remove some voice from their mouth, it is called what? Verb. They are doing action, correct or not? Doing words it is. So first one is done for us. The horse, the voice which comes out of the mouth of the horse is called neigh. Okay, the horse neighs. Okay, first one is what? The horse. The horse neighs. Second one, here it is the donkey. What does donkey do? The donkey, now here it is given, donkey makes some noise. Can you see voice of the donkey? ज्यावेळेस तो ओरडतो donkey, त्याला काय म्हणतात आपण? The donkey brays. The donkey brays. B-R-A-Y-S, brays. What you have to say? The donkey brays. Third picture is about cow. What does cow do? The cow moves. The voice which comes out of the mouth of the cow, it is called moves. The cow moves. M-O-O-S, moves. Fourth one, the elephant. The voice which comes out of the mouth of the elephant, it is called trumpets. The elephant trumpets. Fifth one, crow. Now fifth one picture is of what? Crow. In Marathi we say कावळा काव काव करतो. That cow is called what in English? It is called the crow cows. Okay, the crow cows. Sixth one, the owl. What does owl makes noise? The owl hoots. The owl hoots. Seventh one, the duck. The voice which comes outside from the mouth of the duck, it is called quacks. The duck quacks. D-U-C-K, duck quacks. Eighth one is of mouse. Which is eighth picture? Eighth picture is of mouse. What does mouse do? Mouse squeaks. Squeeze. The mouse squeaks. The mouse squeaks. Ninth one is lion. Can you see lion? Oh. Ninth one is lion. The lion roars. 10th one, picture is of snake. What does snakes do? It is called what? Hiss. The snake hisses. The snake hisses. 11th one, sheep. Your picture is there of sheep. What does sheep do? The sheep blent, B-L-E-A-N-T. The sheep bleat, not blent, bleat. B-L-E-A-T, bleat. What does sheep do? The sheep bleat. And the last one is 12th one, the pigeon coos. Pigeons means what? कबूतर असतात, करेक्ट ना? कबुतराचा आवाज कसा खायचा? कू 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 कू. So it coos. The pigeons, 12th one. The pigeons coos. They make some noise, and here are some total 12 animals and birds which we have studied today. And voice which are the voice which comes outside of their mouth, it is called cries. And what voices are there? This question will come 101% for exam. You have to write down the sounds of animals. Sorry. I will read once for you. The horse neighs. The donkey brays. The cow moves. The elephant trumpets. The crow cows. The owl hoots. The duck quacks. The mouse squeaks. The lion roars. The snake hisses. The sheep bleat. And the pigeons coos. Understood? In this way, we have studied about voice or sound or cries of 12 animals and birds. Some are animals and some are birds. This all answers which are underlined that you have to write down in English grammar book. And you have to learn. हे सगळे पाठ करायचे. तुम्हाला अचानक कोणी पण विचारलं तर तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे. एलिफंट, then you should say trumpet. Pigeon coos. Sheep bleat. Horse neigh. Understood or not? You should know. You should learn this all. The duck quacks. If I'll ask you, owl hoots. Understood? Cow moves. In this way, what you have to do? You have to learn all answers. This question is going to come 101% for exam. Exam मध्ये मी हा प्रश्न टाकणार आहे. Understood? आणि first standard, your result was very bad. Many students have not got nice marks. 1, 2, 3 like these marks you have got. You are not studying at home. Simply you are doing time pass. Parents, please take care of your children. जे अभ्यास करायला सांगितलेला आहे तो अभ्यास करून घ्या त्यांचा घरी प्लीज. ओके, थँक्यू.